Welcome back to my channel.
Oh, yes. Go, Mother. Hey, guys. It's the Jamaican Mother's youngest daughter, Tina. You might remember me from the stew peas video. Today, Mother's going to show us how to make steamed cabbage. So let's jump in. Here she is chopping up the cabbage. This part is important. What she did first was cut the cabbage in 2 halves and then just focus on 1 half at a time. See that? Wow, you gotta protect your fingers. You gotta protect your fingers. Look at this. Getting down to the end. Leave a comment. Let her know if you've made this before. Leave a comment. Let us know if this is your first time making the steamed cabbage. But this is what it should look like. You see how pretty that is? It's not.
By the way, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Subscribe, man. What keep you so long? Subscribe. Thank you.
I hope you guys subscribe. I really hope you subscribe. It takes 1 second. Alright, so back to the video. So in this video, Mother is using the red cabbage. She's gonna actually mix it with the green cabbage. So after all the chopping is said and done, add the cabbage to your pot. See that there? Yep. So pretty. I like the combination of the colors. How nice is that? Alright, so just mix it up. Stir it up, I should say. And then I guess you leave that in the pot there or in a container and then start chopping up the onions and the bell peppers. She added garlic as well. So there you are. There she is peeling the onions. Which, if you guys, have you noticed that like almost everything Mother makes has onions, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, garlic. And what's the other one? The Scotch bonnet pepper. So that's just a staple. So there it is on the chopping board. Onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and the Scotchy went in there. So Mother does this thing where she kind of peels it lengthwise. Or she like cuts it lengthwise and then lays it down, and that helps it, chop faster into smaller pieces so that it's all diced up, which is pretty cool. Save yourself some time in the kitchen. She's doing the same thing now with the green bell pepper, cutting it lengthwise and then laying it flat, and now it's going to be diced. See that? It's a little trick she does. This cabbage, man, Mother's cabbage is a whole different level of cabbage. Let's just say that. This is not the cabbage you find when you go to your local Jamaican restaurant and order cabbage. Alright, now talk about that type of bland cabbage. This one is packed with flavor, and you can see why. You got peppers, you got onions, you have garlic, you have seasoning. So no shortage of flavor coming your way with this cabbage. I guarantee you guys are gonna love it. All of her customers love it. Family and friends love this cabbage. Whenever it's there, it's done. There will be no leftover cabbage. So there it is, all the chopped ingredients. So now I'm gonna add this to the pot with the cabbage. All right, so she's putting them in there. So pretty, oh my goodness. Thumbs up the video, guys. Show mother some love. Show us some love on this video. We really, really, really appreciate it. All right, so she's stirring it all up. Make sure everything is even. Adding in a little bit of water. And then tip in some oil as well. And then just cover the pot. So it says cook cabbage on medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes. And that really is going to depend on if you like your cabbage crunchy or if you like it like very soft. Me personally, I like a little crunch. So I'm cooking it on the 5 to 6 or 5 minutes side. And then some people would cook it more like for 10 minutes. I think mother's going to cook it for like 10 minutes. So there she is adding in all-purpose seasoning. Check out her Amazon store. It will be linked below if you want to see some of these things. Adding in black pepper. If you want to see some of the items that she uses specifically, check out her Amazon store. And then she added some more water. Stirring it all up. Fun fact about mother, she doesn't measure. Most Jamaican mothers, most Caribbean parents cooking don't measure. They just kind of eyeball it and do their thing. So 10 minutes later, ooh, look at that. It's all done. My mouth is watering. I can honestly taste it through the screen. Oh my goodness. You guys are gonna love this recipe. I'm telling you. You're not gonna cook cabbage any other way after this. And at the end, if you need a little bit more salt or pepper to your taste, add it in. But yeah, that's it. We love you guys.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. One love.